So guys, it's Brody back here again. Anyways, sorry for doing that to the video yesterday, but here I am again. So I'll show you Deadbeat. See it? Okay, let me just do something so you can see it better. Okay, now can you see it better? Well, that's all we have time for today. And yeah, post me if Alabama has lots of tornadoes, or if it's in Tornado Alley.